FirstSite. FirstSite is a visual arts organization based in Colchester, Essex, which opened in 2011. The building FirstSite occupies as tenants was designed by Rafael Viñoly and the freehold is retained by Colchester Council. The building is situated in Colchester's cultural quarter near the Minories, Colchester, 15 Queen Street, a creative business hub, the Norman Colchester Castle, the Natural History Museum, Hollytrees Museum, and Colchester's Roman Wall. Its exhibits are on a rolling 6-monthly basis, starting with Camulodunum. It cooperated with Essex University to show South American art until 2013. FirstSite has no permanent art collection of its own. FirstSite is a registered charity under English law. Exhibitions. Camulodunum artists including Ai Weiwei, Sabad Gupta, Barbara Hepworth, Sarah Lucas, Alexandra Murr, Henry Moore, Grayson Perry, Robert Smithson, J.M.W. Turner, Andy Warhol, Rebecca Warren, and Bill Woodrow. Culpable Earth, Stephen Claydon. Equivalents, Carl Andre, John Constable. News from Nowhere artists including Linda Bingleys, Lijah Clark, Richard Deacon Sculptor, Noam Gabo, Issa Jenskin, Roger Hiorns, Namjoon Paik, Laszlo Mohali Nagy, John McCracken, Mark Titchener, and Paul Thek. Sorry I'm Late, Anthea Hamilton. Painting, collage, film, Humphrey Jennings. Hammer Prints Limited, 1954-1975, Nigel Henderson and Eduardo Paolozzi. The Sea Paintings of the North Norfolk Coast, John Virtue. Assembled Paintings and Drawings, Chris Sieber. The FirstSite Open Art Exhibition, Local Art Open Exhibition 2015. Wood to Water, James Dodds. 70 Years of Colchester Art Society. Artists include Cedric Morris, John Nash, artist, Simon Carter, and Valerie Thornton. Introspective, G. Boucher. Ed Gold, Other Worlds, Ed Gold, June-September 2017. Grayson Perry, The Life of Julie Cope, Grayson Perry, January-February 2018. Power for the People, Rose Finn Kelsey, December 2017, March 2018. Critical appraisal. The gallery's opening received a considerable evaluation in the press. The Guardian criticized the sloping walls and the architect Viñoly. It also examined it in terms of the economic expectations towards it and in comparison with other regional galleries. However, The Independent praised the inaugural exhibition Camulodunum. The Daily Telegraph has criticized the expense of the project, which cost $25 million. In 2015, FirstSite had its status as an Arts Council-funded national portfolio organization withdrawn. The Arts Council consequently reduced their annual subsidy to FirstSite by £10 per year from £814,500. In February 2018, it was announced that FirstSite had returned to Arts Council National Portfolio Organization status despite having only recorded 131,663 visitors in the previous year and having made a loss of £243,000. The return to National Portfolio Organization status for FirstSite saw an increase in funding of £5 per year to £814,512 per year, secured for 4 years. On 22 March 2018, it was announced Dr. Norzaman Rashid, Robert Surnham, and Helen Organ resigned from their roles as trustees at FirstSite. In 2021, Ai Weiwei was invited to submit a piece for the virtual UK art exhibition, the Great Big Art Exhibition, which was organized by FirstSite. Ai's piece, called Postcard for Political Prisoners, incorporated a photograph of the running machine used by Assange in the Ecuadorian embassy. After initially accepting Ai's idea, FirstSite's director said that it could not include his project due to time constraints and because it did not fit with the concept of the exhibition. Ai said he thought the reason for the rejection was that the exhibition did not want